Good morning, students. Today's our topic of discussion is socialism and capitalism. Meaning of socialism. Socialism is an economic model which advocates that the means of production, distribution, and exchange should be owned and regulated by the community as a whole. Socialism is an economic doctrine that calls for public rather than private ownership or control of property and natural resources. Characteristics of socialism. So, first characteristics of socialism is abolition of private property. Socialism always encourages on abolition of private property. Next characteristics of socialism is state production. The third characteristics of socialism is economic equality. Socialism, the philosophy of socialism always encourage economic equality among the people. Next characteristics is equality of opportunity. Another characteristics of socialism is economic planning. Maximum social welfare and social security is another characteristics of socialism. And last characteristics of socialism is establishment of classless society. Socialism always try to establish a classless society where all people are equal economically, socially, and politically. Merits of socialism. There are different merits or advantages of socialism. These are number one, abolition of law of inheritance, rapid economic development, economic stability, socio-economic and political equality, social justice, and last one is social security and social welfare. As socialism always give importance on equality, classless society, that's why it's always give importance on social justice to provide social security and social welfare to the people of the socialistic society. Every economic model have some merits and demerits, and like that socialism also have some demerits or some disadvantages. These are number one, bureaucracy and red tapeism, concentration of power in the state, absence of economic equality, loss of freedom, loss of consumer sovereignty, and last one is slow growth of economy. As in socialism, economic power is in the hands of some cooperative sector or in the hands of government. Because of that reason there is very much impact of bureaucratic setup, and because of that reason the freedom is very less, the rules and regulations are more, and because of that reason the growth of economy is slow in comparison to capitalist economy. Next, meaning of capitalism. So, capitalism is an economic system based on the private ownership of means of production and their operation for profit. Some characteristics of capitalism are like private property, capital accumulation, wage labor, voluntary exchange, a price system, and competitive markets. Features of capitalism are private property, large scale production, profit institution, competition, price mechanism, wage institution, money and credit, and business organization. So, capitalism is opposite to socialism. In socialism, the ownership is in the hands of government or corporate sector. But on the other hand, in capitalism, the ownership is owned by private sector, by some individual or some group of people. Then comes to the merits or advantages of capitalism. The advantages of capitalism are high standard of living, economic progress, exchange of culture, progress of civilization, lessening social differences. So these are the basic advantages of capitalism. Disadvantages or demerits of capitalism: inequality of distribution of wealth and income, social costs are very high, unnecessary multiplicity and too much of competition, instability of capital economy, unemployment and underemployment, slow and unbalanced growth, means the difference between rich and poor always increases in this capitalist society. Then last demerits or disadvantages of capitalism is growth of monopolies with their evils. So with this discussion, we can find out some differences between capitalism and socialism. The differences between capitalism and socialism are: number one, capitalism is always owned by private owners, means some individuals or some group of people. But in socialism, the properties are owned by government or cooperative sector. Second difference between capitalism and socialism is price determined by supply and demand in capitalism, but in socialism there is price controls. In capitalism there is economic inequality, but socialism always encourages economic equality. In capitalism there is more competition, but in socialism there is less competition. In capitalism, consumer sovereignty is there, but in socialism there is lack of consumer sovereignty. In capitalism, it always gives importance on profit motives, but socialism give importance on social welfare, as in socialistic economy give importance on equal distribution of power and economy and equal development of the masses. In capitalism there is more exploitation, because the industrialists or the owners always try to exploit the laborers or the lower classes people for their own benefit. On the other hand, in socialism, as they always encourage classless society, because of that reason there is less exploitation or there is no exploitation in comparison to capitalism. So these are the basic differences between capitalism and socialism. Thank you.